Introducing Baby Nessie, a one-of-a-kind, unique dinosaur tea infuser. We'll take it apart. You just give it a little squeeze, and it'll come apart. This is the bottom. It has holes. The top also has holes. And we're going to add tea, loose tea, into the body. I'm making a mess, but it'll be easy to clean up. Need to get it down in there to leave the rim free. Then I'm going to put it back together, and it's easier to put together if you line up the front, the high part. I think I've got too much tea in it, a little too much. So we'll just take some out and try again. Line up the front and pop it back together. You have to be sure to get all of those pieces down in there so it will not interfere with its closing. There. Now to make the tea, this is a cup of hot water. And what you do is you pick up baby Nessie by the neck and put it in the hot water and let it steep. You can move it around, stir it up if you need to, but it needs to just sit for a few minutes. The hot water is running through the infuser and you'll have tea soon. You let it steep until it gets the darkness that you want in your tea. The hotter the water is, the faster it will work. Baby Nessie is made of silicone. It's BPA free and it's dishwasher safe. It makes a perfect gift for housewarming or a birthday gift for someone who drinks a lot of hot tea. And it's just fun. When you're finished, when your tea is the color that you like, take out baby Nessie and squeeze the top. There's the tea inside. I think I could have used less. Look how it expanded. Just empty it out and you can put it in the dishwasher or just rinse it off. Enjoy your tea.